Welcome to this 10-minute gentle yoga stretch. We'll begin in a comfortable seated position in Sukhasana, with your legs crossed and your hands resting gently on your knees. Allow your eyes to close. Take a moment to arrive here, letting the body settle into stillness. Notice your breath. Without changing anything, just observe the natural rhythm of your inhale and your exhale. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through the mouth for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue with this gentle rhythm. With each inhale, lengthen through the spine, and with each exhale, soften through the shoulders. I'll give you a few moments of quiet here to be with your breath. When you're ready, gently let the eyes begin to open with your next breath. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up overhead, reaching toward the sky. And exhale, bring the palms together and draw them down to heart center. Inhale, arms rise, opening through the chest and lifting the gaze. Exhale, hands come back to the heart. Again, inhale, reaching up, lifting and lengthening, and exhale, palms together. Reach your right fingertips out and take your left arm overhead as you bend through the side waist. Inhale, coming up, bending to the other side, reaching, and inhale again. Exhale, bending side. Inhale, coming up. Last time, exhale, bending with the right arm overhead. And inhale, coming up. Reach both arms up and exhale as you twist to your right, taking your left hand on the outside of your right knee. Breathe deeply into the stretch. Inhale, reaching your arms up as we twist to the other side. Right hand comes to the left knee. Lengthen through the spine. Breathe deeply. And coming center, reach it up. Interlace your hands behind your head. Inhale, arch. Exhale, contract forward. Coming up, inhale, arch. And exhale, coming forward. Sitting up nice and tall. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. And center. Exhale, right. Coming forward, circling the torso, left. And up, other way. Exhale, left. And coming forward. And right. Coming up. Place your hands on your knees and we'll begin to take a neck stretch. Take your right arm overhead and gently pull your head softly towards your shoulder, keeping the left fingertips on the ground. Begin to turn your neck so you are looking down toward your right armpit, placing your hand on the back of your head. And release, other side. Left arm overhead, and release your left ear towards your shoulder. Take a few breaths before we turn our chin down. Good. Release and come center. Begin to make your way to all fours for cat and cow. Inhale, arch the spine, and exhale as you contract. Link the breath with the movement. Inhale to arch, and exhale, contract. Again, let it flow. Inhale to arch. Exhale, round through the spine, pressing the mat away, chin towards the chest. Inhale, opening the front body, and shift back into child's pose. Come forward, tuck your toes, and shift your hips back into downward facing dog. Nice deep breaths, pressing the hands into the mat, lengthening through the backs of the legs. Bring your knees to the mat, scoot your legs forward, crossing your ankles, and make your way to your back. Hug your knees into your chest and take a little gentle rock side to side, massaging your spine on the mat. Lengthen your left leg out long and pull your right knee in. Bring your knee across you for a reclining twist. Keep both shoulders grounding down toward the mat and turn your gaze in the opposite direction. On the next inhale, come center and we'll take the other side. Bring the left knee in and extend the right leg straight out in front of you. Bring it across you and look towards your left. Soften into the twist and keep your breath expanding. Come back center and extend both legs straight up towards the sky. Circle your ankles by rotating the feet, outer circles and then inner circles. Bend both legs and then cross your right ankle over your left thigh, creating a figure 4 shape. Keep your right foot flexed to protect the knee. Draw your left knee toward your chest and stay for a few breaths. Gently release and make your way to the other side, crossing your left foot over your right knee. Thread the needle and pull your leg in towards your chest for the outer hip stretch. Gently release and slowly make your way into Shavasana. Lie down comfortably on your back, arms relaxed by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a deep inhale and a long exhale. Allow your body to soften completely into the mat. Bring your awareness back to the breath, noticing the rise and fall of the belly and chest. When you're ready, roll to your right side and make your way to Sukhasana. Bring your palms together at heart center. Take a moment to honor yourself for showing up on your mat today. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this flow, please like, comment, and subscribe for more yoga videos. Wishing you peace and ease for the rest of your day. See you next time. Bye.